Welcome back. In the rapidly evolving landscape of the digital age, parenting has taken on new dimensions and challenges. Gone are the days when children's primary interactions were physical and local. Today, they are increasingly digital and global. This shift brings forth a multitude of concerns and questions for parents. How can we ensure our children's safety online? What role should technology play in their lives? How do we prepare them for a world where digital literacy is as fundamental as reading and writing? This article aims to explore the intricacies of parenting in the digital age, offering insights and strategies to help parents navigate this uncharted territory effectively. The digital dilemma for modern parents. The digital age, characterized by smartphones, social media, and constant connectivity, presents unique challenges for parents. Balancing screen time, ensuring online safety, and teaching digital etiquette are now integral parts of parenting. It's a delicate balancing act, leveraging the benefits of technology while safeguarding against its pitfalls. Navigating parenting in the digital world. Establishing healthy tech habits. It's crucial to set boundaries for screen time and ensure that technology use doesn't impede physical activity, sleep, or real-world interactions. Fostering digital literacy. Equipping children with the skills to critically evaluate online information and understand the nuances of digital communication is essential. Ensuring online safety. Teaching children about online privacy, the risks of sharing personal information, and how to recognize and respond to cyberbullying is fundamental. Role modeling digital behavior. Children learn by example. Demonstrating responsible use of technology and digital communication can set a powerful precedent. Encouraging digital creativity. Rather than just passive consumption, encourage children to use digital tools creatively for learning, creating art, coding, or solving problems. Open communication. Maintain open lines of communication about online experiences and the content they are accessing. Staying informed. Keep up to date with the latest digital trends, apps, and platforms to better understand the digital environment your child is navigating. Conclusion. Empowering the next generation. Parenting in the digital age is uncharted and challenging, yet it's filled with opportunities to guide and prepare our children for a future that is inherently digital. By embracing digital literacy, fostering open communication, and setting healthy boundaries, we can help our children harness the power of technology responsibly and creatively. The goal is not just to protect them, but to empower them to be savvy, empathetic, and thoughtful digital citizens. For more insights into parenting in this dynamic digital era, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your engagement is key to spreading awareness and fostering a community of mindful digital age parents. Check out the description for more resources and tips on digital parenting. Together, let's navigate these digital waters and raise a generation that's not only tech-savvy, but also tech-wise.